So, how about some maple salmon for your holiday enjoyment? Okay, you want to start with 3 pieces of salmon, and basically you want to fiddle fuck around with them till they all fit comfortably into an 8x8 baking dish. By the way, you'll want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees for this recipe. Just lay your salmon down in a greased baking sheet. All right, next step. Okie dokie. Now we need to make the, for all intents and purposes, cooking sauce. All right, first thing you want to do is start off with a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And get the real maple syrup. Don't get the fake shit. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then you want to add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt and a clove of garlic minced and freshly ground black pepper to taste, but at least a 1/4 teaspoon. I think I did a little bit more. And then grab a fork and stir the son of a bitch up. Okay, then pour the liquid over the salmon, and then you want to put in the fridge and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Then take it out, pop it in the oven, and bake for 20 minutes. And we'll be back with a final product. All right, and thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, the 30 minutes in the fridge have passed, the 20 minutes in the oven have passed, and this is what we're left with. Maple salmon. Done.